How to fix an error occurred while starting Roblox Studio. The first thing that you want to do is just restarting your computer. So that's pretty basic. So just open your Windows menu, click on the power button, and just simply tap on restart. Once that's done, open your Windows menu again, then type in CMD, and just simply click on the Run as Administrator right here. Then click on Yes. Once this pops up, just simply type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Just simply click on your Enter key. Then once that's done, just simply exit out of this. Next thing that you want to do is just click on or tap on the Windows key and your R key at the same time, so Windows plus R. Then just simply type in %temp % right here and click on OK. Then just select all of this stuff right here on the folder, or you could just click on Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all of it. Then tap on delete, and if this pops up, just simply do this for all current items. Then click on skip. Once it's done, just exit out of this. And once it's done, you just need to go to the Windows menu again, then search for add or remove programs. Then search for Roblox Studio on the search bar at the top. Roblox Studio right here. Click on the 3-dot icon, click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again, wait for it to uninstall. And once that's all gone, you just need to open your browser. Once your browser is opened up, just search for Roblox. Go to roblox.com. Wait for it to load. Once it's all loaded up, just search for any game that you want to play. So let's say I want to play this game. Just simply click on the play button right there. And this should pop up that says Roblox is now loading. Get ready. And just simply click on download and install Roblox. So just click on save. Then click on the file that you've downloaded. And as you can see, it says installing Roblox. So I'm just going to exit out of this browser and wait for this to install. And once it's installed again, you simply need to right click the Roblox Studio right here. So right click on it. Then click on properties. Then go to compatibility and make sure that this one is checked. And disable full screen optimizations is also checked. And make sure that run this program as an administrator is also checked. Click on apply, click on OK. Once it's done, that should fix the error while starting your Roblox Studio.